Zach with Prospeed, White Rice 240. Yesterday you went 699
yes.
at 200,
yep.
taking the 2J240 record on a 275 tire.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say about the setup?
Obviously it's a 2J. We've got a billet Mazworx block in it. We've got a precision 94mm turbo. We run Motec engine management on it. Used to run on Pro AFI for a long time. The owner wanted to switch it over to Motec, so that's what we run now. We figured out that the head was not evenly cooled. The water enters the front of the head and exits the back out of a small hole.
Right.
It also exchanges through the block a little bit. But what we did is take out the stock plugged holes in the center and put fittings there so we can evacuate the hot water through the head as it enters and passes each cylinder. We've got I want to say it's an M&M 400 in there currently, or a Rossler. We run both of them. I'm not sure which one's in there right now. We've got a Pro Torque converter behind the car, and a full ladder bar conversion out back with a Fab 9. Penske race suspension helps us out a whole lot. Tom at Fuel Injector Development puts a good set of injectors in the car. Man, everybody, man, a lot of people put a lot of time and R&D into this car. Chris Delgado does a lot of work with it. He's the tuner. He's one of the owners at the shop at Prospeed where we work. I mean, my crew, Fabian, the chassis guy we've got, Dewey, the owner, he puts in a lot of time and effort himself too, which is something you don't really get from a lot of owners.
Right.
He puts in the time with us. Thank you.